Hello, and welcome back to Coca English. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy you are here with us today. On this channel, we make English easy and fun. Every week, we take one English word and we explore it together.
That's right, Sam. We look at what the word means, how to say it, and the different ways we can use it. Learning one word at a time is a great way to improve your English.
It is. And today, we have a very special word. It's a small word, but it is very strong and very useful. Are you ready, Layla?
I am ready, Sam. Today's word is beat.
Beat. B-E-A-T. It's a short, powerful sound, just like the word itself. Beat.
So, what do you think of when you hear the word beat, Sam?
Well, the first thing I think of is my heart. My heart goes beat, beat, beat all day long. It's the sound and the action of my heart.
Yes, that's a perfect place to start. So, our first meaning of beat is about a regular, repeating sound or movement. Your heart beats. My heart beats fast when I run. We can also hear a beat in music. When you listen to a song, you can feel the beat. You can tap your foot to the beat.
So, a beat is like the pulse of music. It's the part that makes you want to move. For example, I love songs with a strong beat. Layla, can you play a beat for us?
Like this? Tap, tap, tap.
Exactly like that. That is a beat. Now, let's make it faster.
Ooh, a fast beat. Now my heart is beating fast from all this excitement.
See, we are already using the word in two ways. But wait, there's more. Beat is also an action word, a verb, for winning. When you play a game and you win, you beat the other person or team.
That's right. For example, Sam, remember when we played chess last week?
Oh, I remember. You beat me. You won the game. I was sad for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes. But yes, I beat Sam at chess. So if you are better than someone in a game or a sport, you beat them. My brother always beats me at video games. It's a little annoying.
It is annoying, but it's a very common use. You can beat another player or you can beat a team. The blue team beat the red team in the football match.
Now, here is another meaning. We also use beat for mixing things very fast. When you cook, you beat eggs. You take a fork or whisk and you mix the eggs very quickly. She beats the eggs for the cake.
I like to beat eggs for my breakfast. It makes them nice and fluffy. So, to beat means to mix something with fast circular movements. But you know what else we can beat? The sun.
The sun? How can you beat the sun, Sam? It's very hot and very far away.
Chuckles. Not like that. I mean, if you wake up very early, before the sun rises, you can say, I beat the sun today. It means you did something before it happened. It's like winning a race against time.
Oh, I see. So if I have a lot of work and I finish it very early, I can say, I beat the clock. I finished before the time was finished.
Yes. Another example. I wanted to buy the last apple pie at the bakery, but my friend beat me to it. She arrived at the bakery before me and bought the last one. She beat me to the apple pie.
That is a sad story, Sam, but a good example. So, to beat someone to something means to do it before they can do it. Now, let's talk about the weather. This is a very useful one. When the sun is very strong and hot, we say, the sun is beating down. It means the sun is very hot and bright on that place.
So on a beautiful summer day, you can say, we can't stay outside for long. The sun is beating down on us. It's a great way to describe a very hot, sunny day.
And finally, there is one more common meaning. When you are very, very tired, you can say, I'm beat. It means you have no energy left. You are exhausted.
After I run for the bus in the morning, I am beat. After a long day at work, I am beat. Layla, after this podcast, will you be beat?
Maybe a little, but I am always happy to talk to our listeners. So, to review, let's list the main ways we use the word beat.
First, a beat is a sound or a rhythm. Your heart beats. Music has a beat.
Second, to beat someone means to win against them in a game or sport.
Third, to beat eggs or cream means to mix them very fast.
Fourth, to beat someone to something means to do it before them.
Fifth, the sun beats down when it's very hot.
And fifth, if you are beat, you're very tired.
Wow! One little word and so many uses. English is funny, isn't it?
It is funny, but that's what makes it interesting. And the best way to learn is to practice. So, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. Go down to the comments section below this video.
Yes, please, write a sentence using the word beat. You can tell us about a time you beat your friend at a game. Or you can tell us about your favorite song with a good beat.
Or you can tell us if you are feeling beat today, or about beating eggs for your dinner. Any sentence is a good sentence. Don't be shy. We read all your comments, and we love to see you practicing your English. It makes us very happy.
So, thank you for listening today. We hope you learned something new about the word beat.
And we hope to see you next time on Coca English, where we learn English one word at a time. Bye for now.